Hello, Bryan Hutchinson here at Victor Myers Custom Homes, and as you can tell, there's a lot happening here at 123 Campbell in Louisville, Texas. Inside the house, insulation is being applied, but outside, our masons are busy working on the brick that will make up the facade of this home. So join me for a couple of minutes as I walk you around and show you how these different materials work in concert with each other. Here we have a side angle look at the brick that's going onto this house. Now this is the actual brick, and of course this is the mortar product here. If we look a little bit further though, what most people don't realize is that brick is a facade. It's not part of the structure, the structural integrity necessarily of the house. The green zip system that you find right here is what is nailed to the actual framing of the packet. These are called brick ties, which go inside of the mortar joints, and as you can see, in between the brick and that wall, there's a gap here of about 4 inches. Now that gap of 4 inches creates what's called a water plane. Now here's a better look at that water plane. And what that's made to do is allow any moisture that gets inside of the structure, that gets between the green zip board and the brick, to evacuate, to flow down this wall and then move out of the weep holes that are in the bottom. Now because this green board is a moisture barrier for the house and the brick sits in front of it, it's critically important that any juncture at the house where there are items that penetrate the walls, they get proper sealing. In our process, we use foam to spray inside of that. It goes into the wall and creates a mold, if you would, or forms itself around any of the pipes to prohibit water from penetrating that area. Well, that about does it for me at this time. Join me as next time we take a better look at what's happening inside of the house as the drywall starts going up on the walls.